This is how I lost over $5,000 in my demo trading account, and I'm sharing my journey so hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes. Let's jump into the charts and see the trades that I took. This week I have a bearish bias. It's because looking at the dollar index, price came right to the CE of this wick, started rejecting higher, and there is this fair value gap between these two lines, and I think that is the next draw on liquidity. So higher dollar means lower indices. Here I'm waiting for the 4-hour to hit this order block, this green candle, and possibly go above the New York midnight opening price, and then up here would be an ideal spot for me to enter in short. The fact that I can make a case for both sides means this is not a high probability trade. What I see here is price stopped right here at the CE of this wick right in the middle, and the next draw on liquidity is right here. So once it hits it, I need to see a strong reaction going down, and I need to see that confirmation with the dollar index rallying. The problem is on the 1-hour, dollar looks like it's coming down. Dollar going down means indices are likely to rally. Unfortunately, there's no place for me to put my stop or anything, so I'm just gonna be on the sidelines and wait. Yeah, I may have entered in too early. I'm still not 100% confident in this, but what I do see here is on the hourly, price took out liquidity, and then the second candle came right to the CE of the wick. So that could have been a good possible trade. And so I'm actually going to put my stop right above the high. Yeah, the only reason why I also entered is S&P also broke below this order block, which is bearish, which is a good sign. And it looks like dollar index respected this order block to go higher. So looks pretty good for a bearish trade. Aiming to enter into another short on this order block. Everything looks bearish, which is a good sign. Just wish I had just another contract. That's the only sad part, but good. I was able to participate in some of this. Yeah, unfortunately, I did not get filled any more contracts, just one. So my target is down here, assuming it just explodes downwards, but I think I'm going to take my position off once it comes right to this area. That's my partial, and you know what? I'm just going to hold it, actually. Looking at this, dollar is wanting to shoot up, which is a good sign for this. So if it can drop down here, I'll be happy, and I could just take that trade. Again, this is fake money, not real money. We're almost at our target, but at the same time, I am watching this. I really want to see it explode past this, but it's really showing some resistance here. If it can explode past it, that'd be a good sign, but still waiting. Wow, look at that. Maybe I'm just on the wrong side of the marketplace and just taking out all this liquidity. Yeah, it may come take me out right here. How sad would that be? But gonna trust my stop, and maybe I should enter into another short right here. That was maybe a little reckless. I did enter into a second short using a market order. If I get stopped, oof, gonna sit on the sidelines for a minute. There's a very good chance I get stopped out. Price will come into this order block right here. May even come to this New York midnight open price and then goes down. If that's the case, I'm gonna accept my loss and then may re-enter because I'm still bearish. I went ahead and closed the position. Dollar is respecting this order block going down, so I'm gonna wait and see what the market wants to do. Dollar index is rising up, and this is right after the area I was interested in, so I'm looking to enter in short. Maybe I entered in way too early. Entered in one more short, and I think I'm gonna wait for more confirmation before I enter in any more. These are pretty aggressive shortings. Yeah, this is perfect. Came took out this highs. I'd love to see it really just tank right now, but it is kind of here. I saw that the dollar did take out some buy side liquidity or create a relatively equal high right here. I would like to see it just shoot up. Dollar is going up. This is what we want to see. I added one more short on NASDAQ. Gonna get stopped yet again. All right, I am gonna be on the sidelines right now. So the morning session, within the first 15 minutes or so, down almost 200 bucks, $3,000. So basically gave back everything I made yesterday. Entered in short one more time because again, Dixie is just shooting up. Still bearish. I'm going to do one contract, wait for confirmation. I could scale in another position if possible. All right, I'm done. I am short one contract right now. I'm going to enter in second short, and this is it. It's like if I get stopped, actually going to be done. Definitely not trading super well right now. So what I see is hourly did come to the CE of this wick and started rejecting lower, but I guess a case I can make is price never came to this order block on the daily. So it was close, so it makes me think it could potentially go a little bit higher. So I'm going to not enter into my second short. Yeah, I think it's that I'm super excited to make a trade and I'm not trading too well. Like, dollar's not rallying, nothing's happening right now, so I feel like I should just close out of the trade. But I do see a breaker, high, low, higher high, goes down. So again, if I'm wrong, I'll get stopped and I'm gonna move to the sidelines. The biggest thing that I'm upset about right now, I'm trading out of FOMO rather than actual plan. Here we are, here is a stop. Ouch. All right, calling it a day. Pretty much hit my max loss, a little bit over that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you check out the video on the screen.